Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I want to show you Doom3 on the Raja Dragon Q6A, a Snapdragon single board computer. So here we have the website of Doom3, spelled in a creative way, and it is the source port of the engine, and you have to supply the game files yourself. So building Doom3, it's not too complicated. The installations or the instructions, they are available for Ubuntu, probably will also work on Debian. So you have to install these packages, get the code, go into the directory, make the build directory, go into the build directory, and create a makefile like that. And then you can make the game. And well, 8 threads might be a bit much, but yeah, you can lower that. I think I used 4, so yeah, the compilation doesn't take too long. So now it is possible to run it with the demo. So here are the instructions to run it with the demo. So you can get the demo file from here and then just extract the game file. So if we look here, there you can see that we have the demo game file here. And what I did was, we are in the build directory. I created the base directory, and that's where I put that demo game file. So yeah, here you can see that we're running on a Raja Dragon Q6A. It has a Snapdragon CPU or SoC. So let's start the game. That doesn't work with Mango Hut, so I activated the frame counter. So with the key below the escape key, you can open the console, and then with this command you can activate the frame counter. So I didn't change any of the settings. So they look like this. And let's start a game.
Is the largest corporate entity in existence.
So now we're in the game.
Welcome to Mars. All new arrivals need to check in at reception.
So things look very dark. I'm not really sure if it's supposed to be this dark, but so yeah, when not much is happening, then this looks very playable. So I never played this game actually, so not really sure where I have to go. I was able to get in here, but
Welcome to Mars, Marine. I'm gonna need you to step on one of those red squares on the floor for a bioscan. This will only take a second. Okay, let me get this started. You're gonna need to hold still. Moving around only makes the test take longer. Alright, bioscan looks good. You're cleared for entry. On behalf of the UAC, welcome to Mars City. This facility serves as the central hub for all scientific research, archaeological studies, and military operations. Goal number one of the UAC is the safety and well-being of all employees and guests. To help achieve this goal, we ask you to follow all these. Various moments you have clearance. Always remain alert and aware of what you and others are doing.
so yeah, I think it's interesting to see that you can play Doom 3 on a ARM single board computer. And yeah, I hope you can have fun with this.
Just leave your bag there. I'll have you set up your quarters. Okay, there's a few things we need to take care of first. This is your personal data assistant. You'll need this to access all secure areas. If you get clearance for any security zones, it'll download directly. It's important, so don't lose it. I see here that Sergeant Kelly has requested your immediate attention. Head directly to Marine Command. It's just that way. Follow the sign.
So yeah, I think I'm going to end the video here. Probably there's a lot of shooting going on later on in the game, but this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.